In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the bell tower in Cobbleverse. So the bell tower is one of the Johto structures that is used in order to get Ho-Oh. Now before you even begin looking for it, you need to make sure you defeat the Kanto region first of all. So that means defeating all 8 gym leaders, defeating the Elite 4, and Champion Blue as well. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and do that, but obviously that is much easier said than done. You guys could also run some commands as well to effectively accomplish the same thing. So the command is /function. Then it is Cobbleverse, then blue_champion defeated. So make sure to go ahead and type that in and then press on enter. And that is effectively going to defeat Champion Blue for you, which is of course the Kanto champion. And then afterwards, you'll then get access to the brand new Johto region and structures. So be sure to go ahead and take a look at that. But obviously, if you don't want to use commands, you want to play legit, then make sure to defeat the Elite 4 and the champion. Then it's going to give you a book that looks like this. So make sure to follow the instructions so that you know exactly what to do and how to make sure you get Johto structures in your world. Alright, so now that you got a Johto structure, you are now able to find the bell tower, which of course is a Johto structure. So the bell tower is going to spawn naturally in the oak forest biome. But if you do have commands on like me, what you could also do is you could do /locate and then structure, then type in Cobbleverse, then bell_tower, just like so. Then you can go ahead and teleport to those coordinates right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then here is how things do look like. And then over here is the bell tower, and then you're able to go ahead and go all the way to the top. Then you need to get a rainbow wing, which you're able to find from the burn tower, which I will make a separate video on, but basically that is another structure that you need to find. But basically once you have that, then you can go ahead and right click on the altar and then spawn in Ho-Oh from here. And oh my goodness, I think this is a shiny Ho-Oh. Yo! That is actually pretty sick. Okay. So guys, I got really lucky in this video. So make sure to leave a like because the luck is going to spread to you. But anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.